It is ironic how one of the aspects that fuels human life and is necessary for human survival is the same one that is killing us. John Oliver addresses this issue in his show, Last Week Tonight, using humor and facts to discuss the dangers of unsafe food handling and the flaws in the current food safety oversight system. Oliver highlights how the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, and the U.S. Department of Agriculture, USDA, regulate different aspects of the food supply, with funding disparities leading to a fragmented system that has gaps in inspection and enforcement. He also critiques the bureaucratic processes of the FDA, which lead to slow decisions in dangerous situations, such as the lack of proper inspection and enforcement of leafy greens, which are contributing to foodborne illnesses and deaths. Our society is so quick to point fingers at multi-million-dollar fast food corporations, such as McDonald's and Burger King, to expose the threats of their processed food. Although the ingredients used by these companies do pose an issue, the bigger threats, those lie in the crevices of healthy foods, like fruits and vegetables. You may be wondering how. Well, the reason is that many farmers utilize their land to house beneficial animals, such as cows and chickens, while growing crops on the same property. This means that manure could be breaking down into streams that are the source for the crops. This leads to issues such as E. coli. Although this may be an issue for farmers, the FDA was implemented in order to address this issue, yet their incapability to accurately and efficiently inspect and supervise these foods results because of government funding. On January 4th, 2011, President Barack Obama signed the Food Safety Modernization Act, which was created to address the public health issue of foodborne illness and disease. Quote, about 48 million people in the U.S., 1 in 6, get sick. 128,000 are hospitalized, and 3,000 die each year from foodborne illnesses, according to recent data from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, end quote. These numbers will only continue to grow so long as the government avoids this issue. That's why it's important that we are educated on underlying issues that are crucial to the well-being of the human race.